So y'all, as y'all can see, I'm braiding my hair. I wanted to show you all the whole process, but hold on. I wanted to show y'all the whole process, but in between moving and all of that kind of stuff, and my kids, I had to, like, I started this, I think, last week. Yeah, last week. So, and I only had the back, about 4 rows, and then a couple of days later, I did like the side rows. So at this point, I've done all of this. I was gonna, my initial colors were gonna be more of this, a blonde. Where is it? This one. It's ombre 427 and 613. But this part looks gray. So I kind of changed my mind. And then I was gonna do more 27, but I was like, forget it. Now I'm just gonna, if y'all wanna watch me do my hair, then you can watch me do my hair. They're long. Let's see if I can stand up and show you. I can't, my table, right? But they're long. Let me try my mirror. I'm gonna look at my mirror. Okay. See if I can see in the mirror. But my first intentions were to do them knotless, but I knew I wasn't gonna have the time. I said I was gonna do a link check before, or at least at this point. So my hair is here. Well, the back part, this part is way back there. So, here my nose. Oh yeah, let me show y'all my setup. So here go my rack with all my hair. So I divide them into, so this would be my first piece, smaller, 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 smaller. So I'm gonna do 5 per braid. And then this is my braid. This is like my, you know, got my mirror. I'm watching the haves and have-nots, so if y'all wanna continue to watch, then do so. Also like and subscribe to follow me on my 4C, since there's not a lot of 4C out there that I've noticed, at least not like mine. So yeah, if you wanna follow along, let's keep watching. Start.
Start. Start.
I got all of the front done.
Yes, sir. I apologize for interrupting you. I know you're entertaining. Yes, sir. No, sir. This line is secure. What's going on? What's going on?
So,
Somebody like that. You heard him? I know. I know.
oh. I knew it. Yeah, see it. Dang, this guy just frozen. Anyway, that's the last part of this show. Let me go. So this all I'm doing for tonight. Oh, my bun is the perfect size. This is what I wanted. It's little for as many braids as I got and for as long as it is. And I gotta finish the middle tomorrow. Well, later today. Okay, yeah. Oh, let me go because it's gonna play again. Oh, we're taking that back if it sounds like that. Anyway, y'all. So, I'll probably continue the video tomorrow or show y'all the finished product tomorrow. The video be after this. I'll put it together. I'm gonna go get in the bed and see if I can go to sleep. It is now can't check, so I'm pretty sure it's about 4:30. So I'm going to get in bed. See y'all. Good morning. Okay, y'all. I hate you. Got bitchy. I finally finished my hair. It's like 3 days later, I think. So I finished it yesterday. And then last night I spent the time clipping the fuzziest part off the ends. So, yeah, so this is the finished result. I'm gonna, y'all like them parts. Anyway, I'm gonna go, I got some water boiling on the stove. So I'm gonna go and dip the ends. Where did this, what? Y'all, I'm so sick of this. Sick of it. Anyway. All right. So, that looks so weird with the middle part. Let me change it. All right. And this is, oh, I love it when I freaking dip my ends because it make it look a whole lot better. I tried to go up as far as I could on dipping. I'm sorry I keep dropping the camera. So, this is the final result. I don't know if y'all can see how long they actually are. Gosh, I need my mirror at home. Let me turn the camera. All right, here we go. This is how long they are. And this is the bed. Let me see if I can put it right. I've never done my hair this long. Y'all, look at these parts. I never see them. I tried my best on them. Now I gotta go all these scalp. And then that is it. And then that is it for me.